In the world of tech, it's not uncommon for companies to draw inspiration from one another. This dynamic often leads to heated debates among enthusiasts and critics alike. One such debate centers around the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and the Apple Watch Ultra. Are these devices examples of blatant copying? Or is it a case of taking the best features and making them better? Let's dive deep into the details to understand this better. A tale of two watches. The Apple Watch Ultra was introduced as the pinnacle of Apple's smartwatch lineup. With a larger battery, rugged features, and premium pricing, it aimed at enthusiasts who are willing to pay extra for additional durability and functionality. Soon after, Samsung unveiled the Galaxy Watch Ultra, which, on the surface, appears to follow the same playbook: a bigger battery, enhanced rugged features, and a top-tier price tag. Copycat claims. The resemblance between the two devices has sparked considerable online chatter, with many labeling the Galaxy Watch Ultra a copycat of the Apple Watch Ultra. Let's break down these claims and see if they hold water. The name and concept. First and foremost, both watches share the Ultra moniker, signaling their top-tier status within their respective lineups. This is not merely a coincidence, but a deliberate move by Samsung to position its product in direct competition with Apple's flagship watch. Both companies tout these devices as their most durable and feature-rich offerings, targeting a similar demographic. Durability and build. Both watches boast titanium bodies, sapphire glass covers, and water resistance up to 100 meters. These features are crucial for rugged use, making them suitable for outdoor enthusiasts and athletes. The similarities in these core aspects underscore Samsung's intent to match Apple feature for feature. Display and brightness. Another area where the two watches align closely is their display technology. Both devices feature dual-frequency GPS for accurate location tracking and boast incredibly bright screens, each capable of reaching 3,000 nits. This ensures excellent visibility even in direct sunlight, a critical feature for any outdoor activity. Bands and accessories. The Apple Watch Ultra comes with 3 distinct bands: the Ocean Band, Trail Loop, and Alpine Band. In a strikingly similar fashion, Samsung's Galaxy Watch Ultra offers the Marine Band, Trail Band, and Peak Form Band. While the names differ slightly, the intent is clear: provide versatile band options that cater to various activities and preferences. Buttons and functionality. Apple introduced a new orange button, the Action button, on the Watch Ultra, which can be customized for different functions, with the default being a workout selector. Samsung's Galaxy Watch Ultra also sports an orange button, aptly named the Quick button, with similar customizable functionality and a default workout selector. The parallels here are hard to ignore. Software and user interface. The similarities extend into the software realm. Samsung's flagship watch face, prominently featured in their marketing, bears a striking resemblance to Apple's, complete with numerous complications around the edges. Both watches offer monochrome night mode and a similar mechanism for changing watch faces, press and hold to customize. Even the double pinch gesture, recently added by Apple, has found its way to Samsung's watch, albeit off by default. Where Samsung falls short. Despite the extensive list of copied features, there is one area where Samsung's Galaxy Watch Ultra missed an opportunity to stand out: the rotating bezel. Previous Galaxy Watch models, like the Watch 6 Classic, featured a physically rotating bezel, a beloved feature for navigating the watch interface without relying on touch. This would have been a significant differentiator, especially for fitness enthusiasts who often deal with sweaty hands, gloves, or other situations where touchscreens are less effective. However, Samsung opted not to include it, likely citing the need for military-grade durability, which might be compromised by moving parts. Unique elements. While the Galaxy Watch Ultra has its shortcomings, it does bring some unique elements to the table. It exclusively pairs with Android phones, making it the go-to choice for Android users. The watch runs on Wear OS, which has received praise for its smooth performance and high customizability. The full-size keyboard, with larger letters, offers a surprisingly better typing experience compared to other smartwatches. Additionally, the battery life on the Galaxy Watch Ultra has been impressive, often matching or exceeding the Apple Watch Ultra's longevity, with about 25% better standby time. Battery life and performance. Samsung's Galaxy Watch Ultra claims battery life ranging from 60 to 100 hours in power-saving mode and about 48 hours in exercise power-saving mode. While these numbers can be confusing, real-world usage has shown that it can often surpass the Apple Watch Ultra, particularly in standby mode. For light users, this means 2 full days of use, while heavy users can expect a solid day and a half. Pricing and value. One significant factor that may sway potential buyers is the price. While the Galaxy Watch Ultra offers many of the same features as the Apple Watch Ultra, it comes at a hefty price tag of $650. This brings us to the updated Watch 7, which shares many of the same core features: dual-frequency GPS, sapphire crystal, similar screen size, and sporty bands, at roughly half the price. This makes the Galaxy Watch Ultra a harder sell unless the buyer specifically wants the larger battery and extra rugged features. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra is undeniably a product heavily inspired by the Apple Watch Ultra. From the name to the design, features, and even some software elements, the similarities are numerous and striking. However, as long as these companies continue to copy the best aspects of each other's products, consumers ultimately benefit from improved devices. The Galaxy Watch Ultra, despite its lack of originality, remains a solid option, particularly for Android users seeking a high-end, rugged smartwatch. The absence of a rotating bezel is a missed opportunity, but overall, Samsung has delivered a competitive product in the ever-evolving smartwatch market. Final thoughts. The tech world thrives on innovation and competition. While the line between inspiration and imitation can sometimes blur, it's clear that both Samsung and Apple are pushing each other to create better products. As consumers, we stand to gain the most from this rivalry, enjoying a continuous stream of advanced, feature-rich devices. So, whether you prefer the Apple Watch Ultra or the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, you can rest assured that you're getting a top-tier smartwatch designed to meet the demands of the most discerning users. Call to action. What are your thoughts on the similarities between the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and the Apple Watch Ultra? Do you think copying is a bad thing, or does it lead to better products for consumers? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.